Hi, I'd like to show a new feature that we've added to the California Water Network viewer. Um, if you recall, we have one version of the network that shows sort of a geographic organization of the network, and you can follow along here by clicking on any particular node, and from that node you're able to see the links that go into and out of that node, and you're able to follow along on the paths. And you can all at any point go back to those maps as well. But these maps can be a little bit confusing, first of all, because they're relatively busy if you're looking at all of if you have filters turned on for all of the particular components. And also, since it's not organized, it's organized geographically, it's hard to see kind of the subset of what you're looking at. So what we've done is added a new view network graph tool that exists for every node. And when you click on this, what you see is a more abstract viewing of all of the nodes that go into and out of a particular node. So here we're looking at the Shasta Lake. You can go in both directions from here. You can actually adjust the depth that you're looking at. We can go from 6 down to 4 or 3, and see a smaller subset of those nodes. And we can actually increase the negative depth as well. And this means that we're going to go up from the root as well. And you can see here that we have lots of different nodes that are going into there. That's because there's a calibration node that goes into that Shasta Lake. And all the filters that work on the previous node work here as well. So if we want to turn off calibration nodes or sinks, then those are removed from the system. And now you can see, even though we still have a negative depth, we don't have anything coming out of Shasta Lake. So removing those calibration nodes gives us a way of looking sort of more at the physical system. At any point, you can actually click on one of these particular values, and you get a little description about that particular node. And if you click on the view info, then you can actually go and see the complete info for that particular page. What you can also do is set the new root graph to that particular node. So I've set that now to Reading, and you can see that's now the top with the maximum depth. So now we're going down from Reading. And like I said, if you're interested in going in the opposite direction, you can increase the negative depth. So here now we're going from Reading, and we're going to increase this negative depth as we go up, and now we can sort of follow the path that goes back to our original point here at Shasta. We can go ahead and reset that, and then start to add more and more points to that. And there's really no limit. You can actually increase the depth to as long as these go. And as you do that, you start to build out the complete connectivity of a particular, in this case, the source at Shasta, and you can actually see all of the nodes that eventually it touches through the system. Okay, thanks very much.